Oh, okay, give me 1 second. Oh, that's kind of bright. Oh my god. Hello. Let's see, what time is it? It is 2:02. Oh, you can't see, but it's 2:02 a.m. and it is, hold up. It is, whoops, I can't move it, but it's Friday. It's 2:02 on Friday, so I think it's the 19th, and almost took off, baby. Oh, it was so close. But I went to sleep last night, and I set an intention that when I woke up, I was going to do it. I was going to try at least my absolute best, and I cleared everything from my mind, went to sleep, woke up, and I was on my right side, and I was getting visions. I was very close to the hypnagogic state, and I heard this very powerful, energetic sound. I pretty much became very, very familiar with the astral projection energy. Now, I did understand it to a degree, but I was never very conscious of it, because back in my old attempts, I was also very blocked up, very scared. So every time it came, it was like I would become aware of it and then immediately just so this time I really took my time to understand it, study it, feel it. And it's kind of nice because throughout all of these practices, there's a certain point where you trigger yourself into it and you feel it. It's kind of like this faint ringing in your ears, but it's not necessarily even a ringing. It's just this like inner sound. Oh, it's so interesting to describe. But anyway, I moved myself out of that because I didn't want to just go. I know that sounds weird, but I'll explain. I wanted to just build it up again, because now that I knew what it felt like, very strong, and I held myself there, I felt comfortable consciously bringing myself there. So I started to do my practices, going, got to myself to build up the energy. Then right before I started to send off into the takeoff, or send myself into the trance, sorry. I'm just really excited right now. I started going in trance-like state, started hearing the ringings, it started getting louder, the vibrations started getting louder, and for the first time ever, it felt like someone shook up my bed, and it completely threw me off guard. I have never experienced that before, and it felt like it was by my lower back, my butt, and someone was just taking it, just going like, and I was like, okay, and like I tried to focus, but I couldn't, and then I got really excited because I was like, what is going on? What? And yeah, but I'm very, very familiar with the energy now, and that's the important thing, because all of us have slept so many times throughout our life. We know what sleep feels like even as it's coming, so we're able to build that energy up. We're able to notice when we are sleeping. We're able to focus on that to then build it up. Well, now in some of these practices in the past few days, I've been like, is that the energy? Am I just making it up? But now I know for sure what that energy feels like, and I know what focusing on it feels like. So those are my two goals, really, were to put myself in the trance-like state and to focus more into it. So it's freaking awesome to see that I did it. Let's freaking go. I'm so happy. I'm so happy to achieve those, because those were, I'm not gonna lie, I was starting to get a little bit discouraged, but let's freaking go. Okay, I think I'm gonna go make the how to use your third eye to up law of attraction. So I'm gonna get started on that, and I will catch you guys later. Peace.